Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to our live streaming. Let's get right to it. The market is about to open and Dogecoin is about to break out from this flag. Welcome, everybody. So what's gonna happen for today market? Let me just go on our list here and see TUP doing all right. Yesterday we did 75% for this stock. We'll watch if we're gonna have a breakout and the market open for this stock. Yeah, it look interesting. If we broke the $1.81, Tesla doing all right in pre-market. We have a nice reversal yesterday, almost 4%. Netflix the same, still holding. We got ELBM pumping 67%. Yeah, we might have a unicorn here. We'll see. BBIG double top yesterday around the $5.80, I think. Yeah, double top. Price got rejected. We'll see if we're gonna have a pump. Good morning. Plus the like button and the way in, everybody. Let's hunt for today. Who's ready? Who's ready for the market? AURC is moving. Some of you said AURC. Yes, yesterday we closed the market neutral. Volume is really light. Today is different story, 46%. But brother Martin, this one is pretty risky. Yes, we have changing the price action, but I don't suggest to buy this one. Not good. We just came up from the dead. It came from the grave. Yeah, Unity is on the turning point. Good question. Good. Yes, turning point because it's going down now. Yeah, it's gonna test this level because Unity have earnings just under 8 days. So before the earnings, we might have a pullback here around the 41 before we gonna have a continuation up. So yeah, Unity looking good for a swing later. Coinbase and Mara, right? We have a nice pullback in the last few days. We have unrealistic price action for Coinbase, for my opinion, from this bottom. We did almost 129% in a span of, let me just check how much we did from here. You remember last time for Coinbase have bad news, fundamentally. Price went almost 28% back in June. So yeah, just almost 1 month. Let me just check. 6th of June until here. 38 days. 38 days Coinbase did over 100% in just less than 2 months. 2 months, not even 2 months. Less than 2 months we did this jump. So this is normal that the price pulling back a bit. We hit over the 100%. Imagine the price was around the 47 and we jumped around the 114. So yeah, this is crazy pump. For this one, Mara jumped 119% in less time, I think, from Coinbase. Yeah, in just 1 month. Just 1 month. And right, the same, we have a huge pump here in just 13 days. 13 days, we did 71% in just 2 weeks. So Riot is more volatile. Riot is more volatile than Mara and Coinbase. AI consolidating now over the $30. Preparing for a huge move. You know, AI preparing for a huge move. Really, look at this. We have some kind of support here around the 37. We'll see if we have a pump from this level. AI is pretty volatile as well. Before the earning, we have a huge pump from the $16, and we did almost 200% in the span of just 1 month. Yeah. So even AI looking good. MULN on the other hand, nope. I'm watching CEI to have another pump. Nikola as well. Ape, because in pre-market we tested this level, the $2. We have a huge seller here. That's why the price got rejected. I think this is happened on the pre-market. We have a huge pump in the pre-market open today. Let me just check. No, not today. Yesterday. Maybe we're gonna have something today for Ape. AMC, not good compared to Ape. Yeah, it's down 7%. This one I'm still watching it from yesterday. DFLI. BBIG looking good. TUP looking still good. We hunted this yesterday, and I still have my trade open for this one. Maybe I will close it when the market open. The price is still up for this one. We might have a huge pump for this one if we broke the $1.81. So our average price is around the $1.46. Pre-market is around $1.50. $1.50, $1.50. Yes, $1.46 is there. Let's see if we have a reversal in the market open, because we don't want to have this reaction price go down below the $1.38. Is mean we might have a test for the $1.26 and maybe plunge down. So I will watch for this level, $1.40, to hold over, at least to have a reversal on the market open. So let me just draw my level here for support on the market open. ELBM. Yeah, this is the top gainer stock for today. This one, let me just check. Not bad volume wise. Let's see if we have an entry. Okay, I will pass this one. Yeah, this one looking healthy. It's kind of breaking now. Yeah, it's breaking. Yeah, this one looking good. BFRG maybe would be good to swing or to trade this one. BFRG. And this one I have mixed signals. I have a bit of mixed signals for this one. I will give it time, and the market open will see if we held here. Otherwise, we might have a push back down toward the $1.50. I will watch. Okay, TUP, we might have a flush when the market open. $1.40 should be our support. If we don't hold it, not good. How everybody doing? Welcome everybody. Plus the like button and the way in. Yeah, we got patent news. Still testing our resistance here. Yeah, it's pumping. BFRG is pumping before the market open. We got 12 minutes before the market open, and we got on our hand a runner. We got a runner here. We might have a huge pump, 20%. Hopefully we don't have this reaction, man. I don't like it if the price actually jumped right now, because if the market open, we might have a huge sell-off. If we get there before the market open, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. So hopefully we don't have a huge pump right now. This is the case, you know. Many stocks that pump in pre-market really crazy and breaking many resistance in pre-market. When the market open, like almost 90% chance they die in the first 30 minutes. Short sellers sell them, you know. We'll see. Nope. Let me just check this one. Yeah, we have a patent here. AI issued US patent for novel prodrugs of mebendazole. Okay, let me just check one thing here. Okay. Top volume gainer, we got HGEN, but down 72%. We got the other one, 14 million, jumping 37. SMX, I think, is pharmaceutical company. Anyway, let me just check the change here. ELBM, I think we have it here. Yes, it's breaking the support. BFRG, okay, 56% jumping. On AI news, not bad for the volume. After that we got this one. Let me just check. UOSH, the other one SMX. Yeah, Neo is still bumping 4%. Nice for Neo, not bad, really not bad. Yesterday we did really good jump, and today as well. We have a weakness for this stock. Anyway, let me just check with Neo. Of course, I'll put Neo here. UOSH. Yeah, we checked this one before, but I don't like that chart. Kind of is, we got some manipulation going on. I will check it. We'll be on the lookout if we got a breakout. Yeah, maybe we hunt this one later. SMX. Yeah, it's pulling back now. It's pulling back. Yeah, the resistance is lowered. It's still heavily shorted. This one is really still heavily shorted. The good thing is we jumping 32% with good volume. I will keep it later as well. Let me just check Neo. Neo did 10% yesterday. Okay, Neo started to reverse. Watch out. 5%. I think we got some news here. We got some news. Okay, so Neo looking good. Started to reverse. Yeah, we started to reverse. We almost hit the bottom around the 5. I was watching the 5 for entry. Sneaky. Neo, it was sneaky stock, man. You see, sometimes we wait for a bottom, but sometimes we can't predict the bottom. It was really near. See with me. We went until the $7 exactly. $7. And I waited for the $5. Man, it was really good bottom here. We're missing just 18 or 15% down. But the price reversed after that. And the reason of that, I think, we got earnings. Good earnings. Yeah, because we have 3 bad earnings. And now the earnings changing. Yeah, even though the revenue is really bad, but the earnings is really good. So yeah, now we're changing from this bullish trend, from the bearish to bullish. Interesting. But we got some resistance coming up here. Yeah, Neo looking good. Neo looking really good. Yes, plus the like button and the way in, everybody. Plus the like button and the way in. We almost live. As we said, we always do our live streaming each day around 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Okay, CET or Central European Time. So this is every time we go live on this time. If you're new here, this is the time that we go live, or around the 9 a.m. Eastern time. Yes. So this is the time we go live. So if you come late, make sure to come early next time, because we discuss many stocks and prepare our list for today. Remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, so never follow me blindly. Do your due diligence, let the price come to you, and never run after the price. Okay, this is really important to note before we start our live streaming. We're watching few stocks, as we said. Neo looking good. BTCY, some of you asking, the volume is still light, and we have reverse split, bad earnings. So yeah, fundamental is still bad. The technical is still bearish. So that's why we don't watch it for today. However, we watching BFRG. We got rejected before the market open right now around this level. Let me just check where we went. So yeah, we got a huge seller there around the $5.75. We'll see if we hold the $4.92 on the market open. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush there, $4.35. TUP, you see what's happened? TUP reversed from our bottom, as we said, the $1.40. So the $1.40 should be our bottom for today. Let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open. Plus the like button, show some love. Let's kick the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, because YouTube wants likes. So let's give the likes to YouTube. Let's hit the 100 likes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Market is pumping for TUP before the market open. SMX, USAH. I will put TUP here. ELP, this one, nope, not good. BFRG looking good. BFRG looking good. I will give it time before we enter, because we might get rejected. Watch out, because this is the resistance, guys. $5.75. TUP, we might have a rejection as well. Let me just close the trade for this one before a huge rejection. And BFRG is still holding sideways. TUP, I will see if we hold the $1.40 for reversal. BFRG is pumping. Let me just check BFRG instead. Yeah, testing the $5.75. Huge seller, watch out. Huge seller. We didn't enter yet for BFRG. We didn't enter yet. TUP got shorted, I think. Yeah, maybe here. I will give it time. If we hold the $1.40 would be good. BFRG still holding. Tesla looking interesting, 1% up. NEO looking really strong, 6% and the market open. NEO looking good. We might have a test for the $13. Yeah, we might have a test for the $13 right now. ELBM. BFRG. Are we gonna have a pump here or not? We have a huge seller around the $5.75. This one have a good news, patent for new drug. BBIG, no good. AMC, no good. ABE, maybe. BFRG, flushing. Still, if we broke the $4.92, I will wait for entry. Because if we broke here, it mean a weakness. TUP is still holding the 140. If we hold the 140, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, a flush down toward the $1.26. You see here, the seller is still there. We have this kind of flag here. Still bearish here. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna have a pump now. I would be ready to enter if we broke the $5.75. Big seller still there, man. You see what's happened? We have double top around the $5.75. Really risky. Okay, TUP is preparing to flush from the $1.40. If we broke, it's not good. If we broke this level, it's not good for today. BFRG is still holding. Yeah, flushing down. TUP is not good. Okay, let me just check ELBM. ELBM instead. ELBM. It's kind of pumping now. Let me just see if we could enter here very quick. The quantity, man. Let me just check. You know what? I will not trade it then. There's limit for the quantity for ELBM, so no good. TUP flushing down. BFRG still no break from the $5.75. So no trade. Right now, no trades, so we waiting. NEO going down because yeah, we have a huge pump. This is normal that we have a reversal a bit. We'll see if we have some pullback. Yeah, we almost tested the $13. BFRG, maybe we're gonna have a flush now. If we broke this support around the $4.92. SMX not good here. Nope, Evolo not pumping yet. CI, yeah, still light volume. GFAI, light volume, pumping but light volume. CVNA, the same. Yeah, CVNA nice because we held over the support. We might have a reversal with CVNA. We might have a good reversal. Maybe I will keep my eyes here. Yeah, this one is still not ready yet. ELBM, let me just check again this one. Yeah, this one, the one that we just missed out because we could actually open more than 200 shares. So Neo have a new support here on the 1232. Good reversal. For people who are still watching AMC, AMC kind of dragging down right now. Yeah, we still have a bit of weakness here because we are still inside this flag. We'll see if we're gonna have a breakout later. Yeah, let's see if we have a breakout. For Abe, as we said, the $2 is the breakout. Now we're still not ready yet. Yeah, we're still testing here. So Abe is preparing for something as well, something really big. So I'm watching Abe as well with AMC. Both of them are in critical situation. BFRG is still preparing for something. We might have finally a good trade here if we broke the $5.75, but the big seller is still there, man. See, every time we get in near here we got a huge seller, so it's not ready. Volume gainer, we got Neo, ELBM. Yeah, this one have a nice breakout from the 2.20. Started to get rejected here. After that we got BFRG. Still we got a big fight here for this stock. Big fight. We got Tesla, AMC, Ford, Raven, not bad for today, 2%. Okay, so Baba getting near our profit taking the 99. We went until the 98.57 finally. It's really slow. So what's gonna be? Are we gonna have a pump from this level or not? AI is still, guys, still. AI will have a go after we break the 42, not now. Volume is a bit light, really light for AI. BFRG, at the other hand, I'm still watching this one. BFRG, what's gonna be? If we entered now, we could risk 8%, because if we don't break this level of resistance, we get 7% at least loss. So that's why we're still waiting for entry for this one. BFRG have patent. Yeah, AI news or patent drug, new drug, just 1 hour ago. If we broke the $4.92, I will be ready to hunt. Let me just put buy limit order for BFRG around the $4. If we broke, of course. Let me just put $4.40. Let me just check again. It's still holding. I will give it some time. So the idea of putting buy limit order for now, so we could actually be ready to hunt for the bottom here, because the price is undecision here. Still have a huge seller here around the $5.57. So the chance or the probability or the game plan, either we buy here, be willing to risk 7 or 6% loss for a chance for the price to break the $5.75, then take profit around the 6, or put buy limit order here for a chance to buy the dip, or wait until we break the $5.75. So we have 3 options, man. 3 options. Yeah, the volume is, the trading is kind of a bit slow for this one. The helium is leaving. BFRG. Okay, maybe we might have something now. Let me just check. $5.65. Still testing area here, man. Still testing. Okay. Aha. Let me just lower it here. Yeah, still seller. So I put still around this area. Boom. Still big seller, man. Huge seller here. Huge seller, man. Okay, let me just put buy limit order just in case around the $4.40. Yeah, because we might get shorted now. I will watch for the dip. Dip, buy the dip. Okay, Neo kind of want to break. So we'll see if we hold the 12. BFRG. Still big seller, man. This one need a bit of patience. guys, plus the like button and the way in. We always do pre-market update on our Discord, chart analysis update, everything here on our Discord channel. So the party is not over. Even if after we finish our live streaming, we do chart analysis update here for mini play. And let me just bring the link for our Hunter channel on Discord and Patreon. So when you join Patreon, you can have access to Discord automatically. Let me just pin this message. Okay, still watching for this one. BFRG. Every time we get shorted, we get bought back here. Every time we get shorted here, we get bought back there. I don't know for how long we could actually hold, because the more that we hold, the more the support would be easier to break. It's like, take this for example. If you try to break a wall, every time you throw something on the wall, you make it weaker, you know? Every time you push the wall, you break, you like try to break it. Every time you hit the wall would be more like weaker, and the next chance that there's a possibility for the wall will break. The same with the BFRG testing the $4.92. Every time we test, there's a chance the next time we break. The same for the resistance. So that's why we have neck and neck for buyers and sellers here. That's why we don't have decision yet. Okay, Upstart. Maybe we got something for Upstart here. UBST. Let me just play with this one. Let us play with this one because the other one doesn't want to move. So let us see this trade instead. Okay, so for Upstart we have a support here, 55.50. Profit taking we could actually take there. Let me just check. Yeah, maybe here and maybe there. 61 and 58. Okay, Upstart looking good for a quick trade. We'll see if we hold the support and go toward our profit taking now. Already entered for this trade, and let me just go back for BFRG. I'm waiting for this one to go to my buy limit order and hunt it from below. So if you want to catch something, if the gazelle is really fast, you can actually catch it. The wisest thing, not run after the gazelle. The wisest thing is know what the gazelle like and just give it to him. Then catch him when he actually distracted eating his thing, you know. And yeah, so if you can't catch something, just be smarter. You don't have to be stronger or faster, but you have to be smarter. Smart way is to just be patient and let the price come to you. And this is why we say hunt, or the way of hunting. BBIG is not done yet. Okay, UPST is pumping. We already entered around the 57 and now it's almost 58. Let's see if we hit the 58 for the first profit taken. And yeah, we're still watching for BFRG, either from a reversal from here and then breaking the 5.50 or 75 for a huge pump. Otherwise, continue down toward the $4.35. This is it. Let's see. Upstart is still pumping 7% today. Not bad at all. If we have a good day for Upstart, we might have a test for this box. Yeah, would be a good day for Upstart to have a 20% pump. We have a huge gap to fill. Huge. Yeah, huge. Turning point. Yeah, the turning point. Exactly, Martin. Where's the gazelle? The gazelle is just jumping around and running around, so we don't have to run after it. We're still waiting for the gazelle to come to us. After that, we're gonna have a big BBQ. Sorry for the people who are not meat eaters, or they are vegetarian. This is just a figure speech. I'm not talking literally, okay? Don't take everything literally here. BFRG. This is the gazelle that we are watching with UPST. Two gazelle we watching. Two gazelle in the field. Which one will hunt first? Yeah, UPST maybe will be the first gazelle that we're gonna hunt because it's pumping now around the 58, almost hitting the first profit taken. Yeah, 58.36. Yeah, almost hitting the profit, almost 58.19, 23, and boom, hitting the profit taken just by a few seconds. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, hitting the first profit. Perfect. We could actually take profit now because now we might have a pullback, so watch out. The second profit taken is around 61.16. Second profit taken 16 or 61.16. BFRG is still holding. I'm still waiting for this one. I have two trap. One trap on the bottom here for the gazelle. If he jump here, I'm gonna catch the gazelle here. If the gazelle run around, then jump over the $5.75, I'm gonna catch him here. Okay, then I will put the BBQ and eat the gazelle here around the 60.76. Here we could actually eat the gazelle. We can't eat the gazelle here because he's still running, eating, and it's really hard to catch. So whatever the gazelle do, It's just matter of time. Okay, we have a bit of pullback here. As we said, this is a profit taking, normal. So yeah, upstarts looking good for continuation. We already entered around the 57.14 cent for this trade, and still pumping. 58.77, still pumping. 9% now. Not bad, not bad. Tesla looking good. Netflix, Neo, upstart looking perfect here. We'll see if we're gonna have a continuation toward the 61.16. Yeah, 58, nice. 58.86. Maybe we'll have a bit of rejection here again. Let me just lower a support around this area. Perfect. Upstart looking good for a continuation. Let's see if we go toward the 61 now. 1 minute looking good. The 1 minute looking still good. 58.80. Okay, 59. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take profit here. I'm gonna take profit, guys. 59, 59.10. Yeah, 59.30. I'm gonna take profit, guys, before I pull back. So we exited on UPST, guys. Trade, we entered here around the 57. We exited there with almost 3% or almost 4%, I think. Not bad, because we were bored waiting for this gazelle to move. We found a little gazelle, so it's not meaty. There is no a lot of we can just eat it as a starter, you know. So UPST is just a starter, and this is the main course for the day. But yeah, you have to wait to eat really well. You have to wait. So yeah, we did very quick trade for upstart, and now we watching BFRG. As we said, UPST going toward the 61 now. 61 should be our resistance and profit taking. Let me just put it in orange. Okay, and let me just put support there. Take that support there. Looking perfect. And there's nothing in the world is perfect. Everything is not perfect in nature. If you go in nature, man, you can't see two trees identical, you know. Even if you put the two seeds at the same time with the same fertilizer, with the same everything, one tree will grow differently than the other. This is the beauty of nature, you know. It's not boring. It's always exciting. If you're present and you be right now in the moment, and you focus on the trees, you focus on little things, you see that nature is really interesting because everything is not identical. So it's not perfect. So it's good. Perfection sometimes in nature is beauty. But in a human being, we take imperfection is not good. Like for feature, I don't know, face features and things like this. When you don't have perfection or the same identical space between your eyes and things like this, is they call you're not kind of beautiful or something. But the paradoxical that nature is the opposite. If you're not perfect, it means you're beautiful. This is really crazy. IMBX, Oscar asked about IMBX. Guys, plus the like button. We almost 100 likes. Come on. INPX. Let me just check this one because there is a rocket beside the ticker symbol. Is rocketing. So yeah, this one is rocketing. Okay, maybe we got something here. 63. Okay, 63. Maybe here. Yeah. But this one for entry is kind of tricky because we're already pumped almost 140. Support is not strong. We don't have strong support here. So yeah, not good. BFRG still. Yeah, now we kind of have a slow market. Right, Mara and Coinbase doing all right. It's pumping from the bottom. Nikola, nothing much. Still over the $2. Yeah, BFRG, maybe we're gonna have something because the price is still holding nicely over the $4.82. TTOO, it's been a while last time we updated about this stock. Nope, not today. APLD is pumping. APLD, let me just check this one if it's pumping or not. I would be really honest with you guys if I like the stock or not. Yeah, this one looking good. This one, just one glance, I can see that there's a potential for the stock to pump if we broke the $9.80. Yeah, this one not bad. Thank you, brother. Who actually asked about this? Mike Roland. PLD, Mike Roland. Thank you, brother. Mike Roland. Okay, the levels is as follow. We have the 911 as a support. Resistant $9.81 has been tested right now. Ultimate profit taking the 11 at least for 2 days. And the other ones, yeah, first profit should be here. Then we have the 11, yeah. So $10.46 and the 11.63. Okay, not bad. This one, not bad. Look out, everybody. APLD is looking good. 11%, and we might have a kick now toward the 10. And then 11.60. 10.46, 11.63. Okay, support, watch out. 911 should be our support. Even though we have bad earnings and revenue, the price jumped anyway. Let's see if we're gonna have a continuation or a flush. Yeah, UPST going toward the 61.16. Yes, sir. This one looking good. Now almost 6%. Nice. Yeah, going toward the 16 or the 60. Now we have a test for the 60, yes. APLD, maybe we got something here. You are welcome, brother. APLD, yes, APLD, maybe we have something here. APLD, let me just check this one. Yes, breaking an important level. But I will see if we're still holding here or not. Yeah, $9.77. But we don't have a kick, a huge kick here. This is unusual. We should have kicked now. We don't have to accumulate around the resistance. BFRG not good, guys. Broke our support. Watch out. BFRG not good. As we suggested, we have hidden seller here. That's why we didn't enter around the $5.75. And we have three choices. As we said, either we buy but we risk to lose 7%, or we wait to buy the dip. That's what we did. We have a buy limit order here for a reversal from this level. Or we said for more confirmation is wait until we break this level. That's why we didn't enter and waiting for a breakdown. So as we said, is always about taking decisions. This is trading, guys. Make right decision in few seconds, split second. And this time it was a good decision that we didn't enter for BFRG. I will wait for BFRG to go to my hunting place. BXRX breaking. BXRX. Let me decide. Yeah, it's breaking support, not resistance, brother. It's breaking a support. And yeah, it's not good, man. Not good at all here. BXRX not good. UBST is still bumping. APLD is still holding, but light volume still light volume. Okay, what we got here? APE, AMC. Some of you ask about BBIG. BBIG is still light. We didn't have any action because we got double top yesterday around the $5.81. Price is still accumulating down. We got the $4 to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. So now it's still holding. First signal, we have to break this descending channel. Tesla is pulling back down a bit. Of course, because we have a huge seller here around the 300. We went today until the 273. Netflix is a bit green. Neo is still holding the pump that we did today. I would put a support there instead. Let me just check. 1121. UBST is going toward the resistance that we discussed around the 61. Yeah, the 61 should be an interesting level. After that, we have some profit taken. So we got that, and yeah, UBST looking really good. Again, guys, plus the like button and the way in. BFRG is going down. Plus the like button and the way in. Remember that we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. after we finish our live streaming, we're gonna do update as usual. As we said before, if you're new here, we always do live streaming around our day trade channel on Discord, swing trade as well. If you don't want to do day trade, we have swing trade as well. Pre-market alert as well we did today before the market open, and watch lists. And we did swing trade actually for mini stocks that have earnings today. As you can see here on the list, we discuss Microsoft, Google, Meta, SoFi, Amazon, all the entry zone, everything before the market open. And yeah, if you want to join us, the link in comment section or in this live chat section, I just pin it up there. Thank you, LF Williams. Appreciate it, brother. All quantum computing stocks running. Yes, broke, not yet, didn't break the 60. So this is the resistance. Yes, we're gonna have a huge pullback now for upstart. We already took profit on this trade. Was good swing trade or day trade or few second trade, if you want to call it, from here to there. APLD, we have a pullback. Okay, so we got rejected there. Yeah, we have to hold over the 911 if we don't want to have a huge pullback down. Resistance, yeah, around the $9.85. We have a test, price went down. So we have a 5-minute red candle, but we got 35 seconds for this red candle to close red. If it closed red, this means the first pullback, and we might have a test here for confirmation for a reversal or not, because if we hold the 9-11, we accumulate it here, next time we're gonna have a pump. This is it for APLD, watch out. BFRG broke the support, now going toward the $4.35. This is where we should watch out for a hunt. Emily, AMC. Emily asked about AMC. Look, Emily, closely what's going on with AMC and Ape. Both of them have interesting level to hold. Both of them are testing it right now. For Ape, this over this ascending channel, we have 1, 2, 3, big pump. Then this is the fourth time. If we held, is mean a pump over the $2. This is for Ape. For AMC, the same. We have this flag. We are about to break from it soon. So if we broke down, we're gonna test the $4.59, which is the bottom for AMC to reverse from. If we bumped up, we're gonna have a test around this resistance, $6.48. So even if we broke from this flag, from my opinion, still we don't have a confirmation for a bullish or bearish momentum. The most important levels when we break this flag, we have first signal. Up is mean first signal for bullish momentum. Down is mean first signal for bearish momentum down. After that, the second signal for bullish momentum is breaking the $6.48. Is mean hallelujah, the price will pump once again, at least around the 750 and the 780. Yeah, we could actually take profit. On the other side, the second signal for weakness, if we broke the $4.59, is mean a flush down. Flush, big flush down. So this is a turning point for AMC. Watch out, a turning point, everybody. If you came late, we have a turning point for AMC. SYTA. Short seller losing. I don't know. Not much. AURC. Okay, this one is crazy. Volume is really light. That's why we didn't trade it. And I don't suggest anybody trade this one. Not good. It's kind of gambling to trade this one. Thank you, John Friedman, for this information about AMC. Effort. No, I'm not married, man. Why this question? Some people say that marriage is kind of society based, you know, and you don't need to have a document to prove that you are with someone, because here in France there's a lot of people that don't believe in anything, you know. So this is their view about marriage. Some even girls, they told me they never gonna marry, but they want to have relationship, but without document. This is a good point of view because I came from religious family, and this point of view make me thinking. It's like, yeah, it's kind of right, because yeah, why we have to write a document, you know, in order to prove that we married or love someone. And we have to buy diamond or something like this. Back in the day, just buy like 2 camels and to bring you like milk and play some grass in the farm, and simple, you know. Now it's too complicated. But monster, I will convert all my money to crypto, you know, and I put it in cold wallet. Good luck finding my money. You know, Roberto, if you really want something, your brain will find the solution. So now you never think about buying a camel. But if we like have some kind of catastrophic event that we don't have internet or light, and you go back to the basics, trust me, man, your DNA, your genetic of ancestors back then will kick in, and you're gonna find camels, you're gonna find rabbits to hunt. This is hardwired in our brain and our blood, but we take it for granted because we have internet and technology. Yes, man. Yes, Eric. Marriage is like buying a car right now. Some people just like buying a car, then upgrading the car, then crash it, you know, and then buying another car. So yeah, this is really sad because people just changing like their wives and husbands, like changing their clothes, you know. There is no true love. There is no deep meaning of connecting with other human being. They're just superficial, you know, because some girls have more options than men, because if they go on Instagram they have many like guys simping and messaging, I don't know, whereas private messaging. So yeah, they have more options. That's why they changing husbands, or they divorcing a lot. We have the paradox of choice right now. Shanto, thank you for your question. Welcome from Canada. Where from Canada? The east side or west side? The French side or the English side? Yeah, I started trading forex first. I think was by far the best way to start trading, because when you start trading forex, man, it's kind of trading. It's kind of learning how to swim in the ocean with sharks. This is how I how I started trading, not stock market, not crypto, but the old school way, forex. I think forex is the top market and the most volatile and most dangerous market you ever learn trading on. For stocks and crypto is not compared to forex, to be honest. It's really dangerous, really hard, and learned a lot from it. I heard that in Toronto it's really hard to find apartments. So if I moved there, it would be really difficult to find apartment to rent or even to buy, because all Chinese people buy the apartments. The billionaires make it really hard for normal people to rent or buy right now. This is crazy. Even LA right now is crazy. Exactly. UBST is reversing from our level. Great. And I'm still watching this one. UBST already hunted for this stock, and we discussed this level of resistance. So it was good hunt. Thank you for remind us, brother. Oh man, Eric, this is crazy. What you said right now is hit the bottom line of our problem right now in our generation. There is a sad saying, say Eric said, remember is not your girl, it's just your turn. Oh man, this is really bad. Really, really bad. But you know what? Like there is always exception for this rule, you know? You have to know where you look. If you go to clubs, of course, this kind of metaphor or saying, it hit the bottom truth. However, if you go to a library, if you go to, I don't know, some intellectual place, is not true, because the people that you find there, they're like spiritually kind of another level from the other people. They know themselves, they have goals, they have objective in their life, so they don't waste their time by hooking up and wasting time with other people, you know. So you have to know where you look. If you go in a dumpster, of course you're never gonna find honey. This is what what I always say to my brothers and friends. So know where you look. And some say never look for something, because everything is written in stars. There's some truth in this, you know, because if you think about it, if you're really desperate and you need something, it's kind of the thing that you want will be like not attracted to you, and will be deterred from you. It's kind of subconsciously, because if you're really desperate to want a girl to be like in relationship with you, she will sense it, and this is not it's not good, it's not there's no good vibe. But if you don't need anything, the thing that you don't need will attract you. It's like money. If you don't like care about money that much, you're gonna have money. This is the funny thing, if you really need money and really hungry, you're gonna lose it. Even if you get money, you're gonna lose it. But if you focus on what you want, like, it's not the money that you want, but the thing that you really want is to help people or building something for society or something like this. This is the most important thing that will make you really rich or even wealthy in the future, because it's kind of compounding. It's not about the money anymore. It's not about relationship or finding love anymore. It's about having fun, We almost here just a few minutes or few seconds on this earth. So we have to just enjoy. We don't have to think too much about the superficial things. Stop talking. Victorious. It's not about just hunting, man. If you hunt and you eat, you have to have a big picture. It's not always about the money. And trading and philosophy and psychology is going one-on-one, because if you don't have your psychology right, you're gonna lose all the money that you made. So yeah, everything is connected, brother. If you say no, stop talking about philosophy or things like this, no, everything's connected. Everything is connected. UBST is still holding. BFRG, I'm still waiting for BFRG, guys, to go there, because this is the resistance now around the $4.92. Price tested, and now I'm waiting for this reversal here from the $4.37. Let me just check if we have something there. Yes. Boom. Wow, Tesla's going back down, given a bit of profit that we did yesterday. This is normal. NEO, okay. Upstart, okay. APLD, nice. APLD looking good now. Still holding the 911. We might have the $10.46 now. Looking good. APLD looking pretty nice, guys. BBIG still down. AMC still accumulating inside this small triangle. So yeah, we don't have that much action right now. LF Williams, yes. Guys, let's hit the like button. We almost 100. We're getting near the 80 likes. We're just missing 5 people. Or 5 aliens. Whoever you are, if you have fingers, you can actually like our live streaming. If you have fingers, if you have nose, if you have ears, if you are a human being, you can like the video. What's the problem? Tell us what's the problem here on the live chat section. Let's open a discussion here. Why we have more than 100 people but less likes? there is hypothesis here. You can tell me that, yeah, some people, we don't want to be told what they have to do. Yes, I know this, because I always do the opposite. My dad told me do this or study or do this. I will do the opposite. Maybe this is one of you right now listening and never liking the video. And the other ones who just put our live streaming on the background and they actually trading on the laptop or something, so they are not connected. And some people just lazy, they don't want to like, because it's too much. 1 second, take 1 second, but they don't want to. There's a lot of things happening, and I'm trying to understand how things works. It's like why people like, why people don't like. So I'm trying to put myself in their position. And of course, there's some people like Pharaoh Farmer, which is unique because he right now signing for the second account on YouTube and giving the second like. See, there's always some people thinking outside the box, like this guy. I love this guy. He's always thinking about breaking or finding holes in the system. I always like to find those kind of holes, There's always holes. There's always other solution, When I have a problem, guys, like in trading or even in my life, I always put like the solution for the problem. There's always many solutions, but the best way or the hardest way is to find the best solution, the easiest way, the fastest solution for any problem. And this is kind of make it fun for me. It's like if I have a problem, it's like, okay, what's gonna happen right now? What's the best solution for this problem? Sometimes I find one solution is mean I have big problem, I have one solution, but there's always a solution. Except for wormholes or breaking the speed of light, of course. Those problems need time, or our time is not right for this problem. So yeah, sometimes we have big problem. It mean the time is not right for the problem. You have to wait, I don't know, 10 years or 10,000 years, whatever. But there's a solution. Xander, yes, all the shade of colors with the likes. Thank you, brother. It's RMA. He was lazy before, and now he liked the video because he's not lazy. Sometimes some people need a push, to do something. And I think you are one of them. Sometimes for me as well, I feel like I don't want to do something. But the trick is, if you don't want to go to the gym or do sport or cook something, or I don't know, I will try not to think. Because once you think, your inner baby tell you to not do them. Because your inner baby, everybody have a baby inside of them, of course. This baby will tell you, let's sleep, let's watch Netflix, let's have a warm shower instead of cold shower, let's order like from KFC or McDonald's instead of cooking healthy food inside your home. So there's always a baby inside you tell you to go for the comfort zone, So when this baby try to come and try to lock the door on him, and never listen, try to stop listening. It's really bad sometimes because you have to listen to your inner voice. But once you want to do something, it's really hard, but it's beneficial for you. You have to shut the door for the baby. Yeah, shut the door and just lock him inside the door and stop thinking. The more you think, game over. No cold shower, no healthy food, no gym, no sport. You can't do this because the baby will tell you, no, no, let's sleep. Muhammad, yes, brother. Marriage is about having a family, not a partner. But what if I told you some people have a family with a dog? So you can have a family with any entity or any creature, you know? And some people told me like having a dog is way better than having like a friend or a lover, because the dog is actually genuinely love you, you know? And they don't need anything from you. It's just food. That's it. And he give you like undivided attention, and never actually backstab you like humans do, you know? So yeah, I kind of, when I traveled, I saw a lot of religions, a lot of people, a lot of colors, and they give me some ideas. Like I was listening and open-minded about a lot of things, and I see some kind of point of view for some people. Yeah, TTOO is still low on volume, guys. Okay, let's check Exilla very quick. Yeah, you see what's happened here for Exilla, TTOO, mini stocks. They've been accumulating for months before below their resistance, like TTO, the same. So we have a barcoding here for Exilla. Now we have a test to break around the $5.68. Otherwise, we're still accumulating for Exilla. So we have a test before around the 6. Then we had it around the 6th of the 23rd of May, then the 9th of June, then almost the 12th of July, and maybe at the end of July we might have something for Exilla to go toward the 669. Maybe. We'll see. TUP, yes, holding over the support, $1.26. This is it. If we held it, we might have a reversal for today. Otherwise, a flash down for this stock. Already 18% down. Let me just check the top stocks that got shorted today. The top stock that got shorted is this one, 33%. I think because of news. Let me just check what's the news that make the stock pump down. Aha. So this is the pharmaceutical company got bad news for this drug, phase 1-2 data for epilepsy drug. So not good data. It falls. We have bad effect for the drug. That's why it went down. That's why we suggest almost pharmaceutical stock is fundamentally based. The other one, the same. We have it's not pharmaceutical company, but we have some issue about the Oracle software license. Yeah, fundamental news, the same, 31% down, 24% down for this one. The other hand, the biggest top gainer for today is AURC, 80% for today. And the other one ELBM, we have a pump. Now we gonna dump. Yes, it's dumping down now. Not good. Not good at all. Let me just check if we have an entry here. We didn't trade this one at the market open because we have limited shares to open on this one, just 200, so doesn't make any sense to trade it. Yeah, BFRG started to reverse. Nice. BFRG started to reverse here. Let's see if we got breakout. Anyway. Okay, BBIG got shorted 70% today. AMC is about to get shorted here. Watch out. We're about to break this flag, guys. We're about to break this flag. We are in anticipation mode. Upstart testing our level of resistance and profit taking. This is it. We have a test exactly around our level. This is it for Upstart. We already exited from this trade. We took profit. And we suggest to enter around this breakout zone. At the first 30 minutes, on the first half of the market open, we have a breakout. It was a good trade. We spotted this trade on the market open. Now it's 12%. APLD is still looking good as well. We have a suggestion from our hunter for a trade for this one. And we said it's good as long as we held the $9.11. And now it's going toward the $10.46 for this one. Yeah, it looked good, guys. APLD looking good. Hunters, we missing just 5 aliens to hit the like button. 5 aliens. 5 aliens or 5 human beings. You must be asking right now how we know if we have 5 aliens like the our live streaming. The like button will turn to red instead of blue if we have aliens like in the video. This is a new algorithm YouTube actually put lately. If the lights actually turn to red, it means aliens. If it's blue, it means a human. Okay, we have 2 human beings or 2 aliens. I don't know who's liking the live streaming. Let's see if it's red like or blue light. Let's see. The only way to find out is to press the like button to see if it's human or alien. This is the only way to spot the alien actually. Exactly, Aaron. Exactly, brother. That's why I say if you don't love yourself, it's really hard to love another human being or anything in this matter. And this is the problem. A lot of people have a misconception with love. That usually the people who are looking for love is actually don't love themselves or a bit lost, you know. If you're lost, it's really kind of really bad to enter any relationship. This is my point of view, because if you're lost or you have some missing piece inside of you and you want other piece to fit your piece, this is not love. Love is given. Love is unconditional. Love is not depending on someone else to make you happy. No. If you're really happy by yourself is the best way to love anything. Your job, your companion, your friends, your family. If you're full, you can actually give. But if you have empty, you want someone to fill you. And guess what? This is a recipe for disaster, because if someone is not there for you or forget your birthday or little things like this, you be kind of angry about these little things, you know. But if you're full and you know that the other person love you, you don't worry about these little things and there's no problems. And as I see, like most divorces and breakup, it happened from the little things, you know. Remember, everybody, after our live streaming ending, we're gonna have day trade chart analysis update, because we always do chart analysis update here, swing trade, everything, and of course on our Patreon as well. Our first level and second level already sold out. Thank you, our hunters. So now we have just 2 left for the king and the elite hunter. Of course, elite hunter we have just 2 guys, or just 1 now, of course, and we have just 5 spots left for elite. Why? Because we have live alert. I can't actually be like this available for more than 5, because if we have more than 5 it would be really hard to attain our hunters. That's why I put just 5 in order to get more in time with any question been asked. That's why we have live alert. What does mean live alert? It means you can ask me any question during the market hours. What does mean? After we finish live streaming, you can send me a message for entry, for exit, for mini stocks, your suggestion. If you find the stock have some news, I will look it for you and check together the entry point for them, profit taking. So really good if you want more in-depth analysis for mini stocks, if you want to join the elite hunter. And of course there's 1 spot left. Of course, so we have just 2 levels for our hunter channel. And of course, if you join Patreon, you have access our Discord for free. Okay, so a lot of you asking how we join Discord is really easy. Join Patreon and you get the link for Discord. Yeah, APLD looking good, UPST. So we're gonna do updates for mini stocks later on, like UPST, because hit our resistance that we discussed after this breakout around this 56. We're gonna discuss PFRG because it started to reverse. Mini stock and AMC if we broke this flag, guys. If we broke this flag, we're gonna do urgent update for entry for AMC and APE, because both of them looking near a breakout zone. So if we have a breakout, as we said, we're gonna do urgent update, chart analysis update like we did here for GFAI before, AMC and mini stocks. Okay, we got 5 minutes. Let me just check all the market very quick. UPST, perfect, hit our resistance. Palantir, holding the support. Unity still holding. CVNA, let me just check CVNA, holding the support. Tesla 1% down, but we're still holding over the $2.54. PayPal, holding the 71. INTC, pulling back. Let me just check the SPY. The SPY getting near the profit taking, not the profit take, but the ultimate level around the 472. Yeah, AMD and the other stock we already discussed the level for them. Nvidia looking good. Okay, those stocks were already discussed today and pre-market, because we did swing trade stocks, as we said here. Swing trade stock, yeah, here. Before the market open, we discussed all those stocks because they have earnings. So we already discussed those stocks. Here we got Evolo. Let me just check. It's still holding the support. DWC. Let me update this level. Yeah, still down. BBIG. Yeah, getting hammered. BBIG. We might have a break. Yeah, we're still holding the 4. BMY. OMH, Virgin Galactic, CVNA. Okay, let me just check crypto very quick. We got Dogecoin. Oh brother, what a crazy movement for Dogecoin. Look at this. This price is crazy. Dogecoin is preparing for something. Look at this. It's preparing for something big. So I'm watching Dogecoin. Shiba coin, not that much, not like Dogecoin. So Dogecoin looking really bullish. Luna Classic, I'm preparing for a huge dip. Ethereum Classic, no. Trust Wallet looking bullish as the Dogecoin, so I'll put it both of them on the top. ADA holding the bottom, Ethereum the same, Bitcoin the same, Bitcoin Cash is the same. So we got Dogecoin and Trust Wallet, for my opinion, looking interesting. I think we got some fundamental news that make the price pump, even though Bitcoin dumped down. You see what's the time it is? We finish our holy water. So each day I have this full. In the morning I finish it, and our live streaming 2 hours I finish this, and at night I finish this. So 3 times, and I think this one 1.5 liters. So almost 5 liters or 4 liters each day. So yeah, almost finished, and now it's finished, of course. So I'm gonna fill it once again. I'm not sponsored by any water company. I'm just saying this as a kind of routine I'm doing. If you want to have something, or if you don't want to forget to do something, is just have a routine and let your brain actually manage it. So for water, I don't like to drink water sometimes if I'm not thirsty, but it's really important. So I just put it beside me. When I trade, when I work out, always water beside me. The same with trading. You have to have a routine, you know, like before trading, after, journaling, things like this. You have to do the hard work. After that, let it automatically managed by your brain. So I read a book about this. It's called Atomic Habit, I think. Atomic Habit, yeah. Really good. Really good. Kind of give me perspective about our brain, our monkey brain, you know, and how habits building, and how habits actually build. It's crazy. When I read this book, it's like, oh man, I'm doing this because of that. Oh, and the trigger because of that, you know. So yeah, it's really funny and sad at the same time, because we can't actually control our brain unless we be like in the moment right now and focus what we did and why I did this, you know, always asking why I'm doing this. It's kind of open a huge door, huge door. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. As usual, tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET to hunt for the market. Watch out for crypto, because yeah, I'm gonna do update for Dogecoin because it's about to break a crazy level. See you guys in the next video tomorrow and today around 8 p.m. CET to update you for the market hunt for tomorrow. And of course, not to mention doing the game plan for today for BFRG and the other stock that still might have a continuation up, like AMC and the other stocks. So I'm gonna do short analysis update here on Discord and Patreon after we finish our live streaming. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update. Peace out. Like John Friedman said, peace to every human being here. Even if you're alien watching our live streaming, peace, brother. And take me with you to your universe if there's a place in your spaceship.